Hi, my name is Rafael Colechá, part of the Digital Event Task Force team at K.I.T Group. Using quality AV equipment by highly skilled professionals is a recipe for success with the most favorable results. Our experience has shown that virtual events with a wider AV technology are highly effective. This attention to quality creates a better connection between the audience and the scientific team, providing a memorable AV experience. To create the best audiovisual experience for your audience, the first point is to create a comprehensive AV plan using the latest technology to ensure a memorable attendee experience. It's important to know that you shouldn't treat AV production as a secondary aspect, because it's not. Rehearsals, tests, and double checks are critical. This will help you to be prepared and familiarized with the AV technology. Remember, engagement is a key aspect. And lastly, don't forget to work with a professional AV team who can help you to convert your digital event, giving you and your audience a unique moment.